Hello everyone, my name is Harvinder Kaur. I will tell you about the listening module and some techniques that will help you to boost up your band score. Okay, let me share the screen with you. Let's know about some listening preparation strategies. First of all, you have to be know what listening module consists of. There are total 40 questions and you will get 30 minutes recording. After listening that recording, you will get 10 minutes extra in which you can transfer your answers on the answer sheet. There are total 4 sections and each section contain total 10 questions. Okay, let's know more about these sections. Section 1, a conversation between two persons. Okay, section 2, a monologue by a person. Monologue means there will be one speaker and you have to listen that. Section 3, there is a conversation between 3 to 4 people. You have to listen all of them. Section 4, there is again a monologue on an academic subject. Okay, you will get a lecture in the section 4. There are different type of questions that you have to answer, like form completion, note completion, summary completion, sentence completion, multiple choice, diagram labeling, map labeling, and table completion. Okay, there are some tips that can help you to enhance your band score. First one is don't try to understand everything. Just focus on the answers. Okay, utilize the time between sections appropriately. Means you will get 1 minute in between two sections. Use that time to read the instructions. Okay, next one is always guess. If you don't know any answer, means don't leave any answer blank. Just write something over there. Okay, you have to also use articles and prepositions that can help you to choose the correct answer. Okay, thank you. I hope that you will find all these listening tips very interesting.